In this video, we will solve the 12th question from the exercise 6.3. Side AB and BC, side AB and BC and median of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and PM, median PM of triangle PQR. So the figure is already given to you. You have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So to show these two triangles are similar, we have to find two conditions based on which we can say that the two triangles are similar. Now to do that, first we will collect all the informations or all this conditions which are required based on what is given to us. Now it is given that AD and PM are medians of the sides BC and QR respectively. So your BD will be half of BC and QM will be half of QR. So let us keep this information and see where it will be used. Now it is said that the sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Means what? AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. So what is given to us? AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Now BC upon, if I divide numerator and denominator by half, still this ratio will not change, right? So I can do that. So why I am doing this is, in the previous step I showed you that half of BC is equal to BD, right? So we can get that step here. For that reason I am dividing numerator and denominator by half, and since the same numbers are divided or multiplied to numerator as well as denominator, the proportion or ratio will not change. Okay, so here I have AB upon PQ, and half of BC in the previous step we saw is BD, and half of QR is QM, and AD is equal to PM. Okay, so this we have got. Now in triangle ABT and triangle PQM, so you have this triangle ABC here, and this is AD, and you have triangle PQR, and this is M. So if I take triangle ABD and triangle PQM, I have got from this condition that AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. So these two triangles are similar by which test? By SSS similarity criterion, because all the sides are in the same ratio. So why I am using this condition here is so that I will get the conditions to show these two triangles are similar. Now if this is a case, then this angle, which is angle ABD, will be equal to angle PQM, because it is corresponding angles of similar triangle. So we got this. So now let us take the two triangles to show that these two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we got the condition that angle ABC is equal to angle PQM, or ABD is equal to PQM, correct? So this angle is equal to this. Second condition is, from here what is given to us, we know that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So we can take this one condition. So we have got here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So two sides are proportional and the angle included between them are equal. So I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criterion. Now let us solve the 13th problem. In the 13th problem, figure is not given to you, and the question says D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So you have a triangle ABC, okay, and D is a point on the side BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So this angle is equal to this angle. Now I have to show that CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. So let us take the triangles having these two angles because that condition is given to you. So in triangle ADC and triangle BAC, which are the two triangles which will be equal? ADC and BAC. So C is a common angle, right? So this angle C will be equal to angle C. I can also write that directly. Okay, first is ADC. Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. This is already given to us. And this I can directly write angle C is equal to angle C because it is a common angle in both the triangles. So we have got two angles equal, right, in the two triangles. So I can say that triangle ADC and triangle BAC are similar by AA similarity criterion. Okay, if the two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Now since I have sides which have to be proved, we'll take the corresponding sides. So which corresponding sides are CA upon CD will be equal to, why I am taking CA and CD because that is what is required here. So one will be CA upon CD will be equal to, which will be the other side? We want CB. So let us take CB. So CB upon, if you take these two, it will be again CA, right? So it is CB upon CA. On simplifying, I get CA square is equal to, this when I cross multiply, you get CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. So which sides you have to take will depend on the question or what you are asked to prove, and accordingly you have to take the same vertices. So don't forget to check which vertices are taken, and accordingly you have to take the same vertices. Now let us solve the 15th question. 15th question says, a vertical pole of length 6 meters casts a shadow 4 meters long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meters long. Find the height of the tower. Now here you are not given the figure, you have to draw the figure. So let us take AB as a pole, okay, and PQ be the tower. Okay, this is your pole and this is your tower, and let shadow will be, if this is your tower, shadow will be casted behind it. So let BC be the shadow casted by the pole and QR be the shadow casted by the tower. Okay, so we have BC and QR, the shadows of AB and PQ respectively. Now another important observation that you have to make is, it is said that both the pole and the tower, they cast the shadow at the same time. Okay, so if suppose the sun is over here, the shadow is casted at the same time. So this angle, okay, and this angle will be equal. Why? The light rays from the sun will fall on the tower and the pole at the same angle. So because it is happening at the same time, the angle made by the light rays will also be same. That is, angle BAC will be equal to angle QPR. Okay, now we have to find this side. Okay, now if we show that these two triangles are similar, then we know the sides are proportional. So I can write AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. So all the other sides are known, and from this I can find the unknown side. So let us take the two triangles. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we already know angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. Also angle ABC, this angle and angle PQR will be equal. What is the reason? both are 90 degrees. So each angle is 90 degrees. So now we got two conditions. Since we have got two angles equal, we can say that the triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. By which criterion? By AA similarity criterion. So if the two triangles are similar, the angles corresponding to it will be equal and the sides will be proportional. So all the three sides will be proportional. So AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR will be equal to AC upon PR. So all will be equal, is equal to AC upon PR. Correct? Now we want PQ, right? So let us substitute whatever is given to us. AC upon PR, I have missed this. So now we can take any two, right? Since we want PQ and we cannot take this because it is unknown. So let us take here 6 upon PQ, okay, equal to 4 upon 28. Okay, these are all the proportional sides, but we can take any two combinations. Since we want PQ, we will take these two proportional sides. Now from this I can get PQ equal to 6 multiplied by 28 upon 4 and the value is 42 meters. Therefore the height of the tower is 42 meters. Now let us solve the 16th problem. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, okay, then where it is already given to you that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, you have to prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. Now figure is not given to you, we have to draw the figure. So what you have to prove here? You have to prove AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. Okay. Now if you see, you have to prove this side is proportional to this side and this side is proportional to this side. So if I show that these two triangles are similar, then I can say that the sides are proportional and get whatever is asked to be proved. Now the triangles to be taken are ABD and triangle PQM. Okay, so these two triangles have to be taken. Before that, let us see what is given to us and find all the conditions which are required to show that these two triangles are similar. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So the corresponding sides are in proportion, okay, and the corresponding angles are equal. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, now if I want to show that these two triangles are similar, okay, let us take the two triangles. So in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we know that this angle is equal. Which angle? Angle B is equal to angle Q. We know that angle B is equal to angle Q. So now we got one angle equal. So now we have to find two sides which are in the same ratio. So somehow I have to get AB upon BD equal to PQ upon QM. So if I get this, then by SAS similarity criterion, I can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay. Now, from here I know AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Correct? We know that. Okay. So from here I can take AB upon PQ and BC upon QR. Why I am taking that? Because I know this is a median. So from these two sides I can get this side, right? Because BD is half of BC and similarly QM is half of QR. So I can get this two sides from this side. So I am taking this and this ratio. So since AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, I can write AB upon PQ as, what is BC? BC I can write as 2 times BD or half of BC also I can take, and QR is half 2 times QM, correct? This is M. So we have got this. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we get AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM. So AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. Now these two sides are proportional and the angle included between them are equal. So now I can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by which criterion? SAS similarity criterion. If the two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon PQ will be equal to BD upon QM will be equal to AD upon PM. Correct? So we got AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM equal to AD upon PM. Now in the question we are asked to prove AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. So we will take only that which is required. So we can write AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM. So this is how we prove using the similarity criterion.